Okay, so in our previous video, we created an animation of a vine growing. Okay, if like a growing vine. So one thing that I have noticed is that it almost went beyond the boundaries of the canvas. So medyo pangit siyang tingnan kasi medyo lumalampas na siya. Okay, so you might ask, how do we move this animation? How do we move this drawing simultaneously? Kasi if we do it like this, let's say for example, okay, we padlock the background and then ngayon nakapadlock yung background tapos sinelect lang natin tong drawing na to tapos pinaliit natin siya gamit ang free transform. Eh, ang mangyayari diyan ay medyo magiging weird yung animation natin. Ayan, oh, medyo umaatras siya, no? The animation becomes weird. So how do we select them simultaneously? How do we resize or adjust everything simultaneously? Okay, so the answer to that question is what we call the edit multiple frames. By the way, it works like an onion skin. The only difference is that the onion skin is like this. Okay, you can extend the onion skin to see the previews and the next drawing. Ayan, oh. So you can see those ghostly images because of the onion skin. Okay, you can adjust the onion skin like that. It has some controls. However, we also have here the edit multiple frames right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to extend it from one end of the timeline to the other. Okay, you can actually do it like this to include everything. And then you just make sure that the background layer is locked and you're actually on the proper layer. You've selected the proper layer and you're just going to press Control A to select everything. And now you can actually adjust them or resize them or put it right here. Okay. So, and then deactivate the edit multiple frames. And um, we have just successfully adjusted our drawings. Now, what if you want to add some effects on this one? So let's say parang nagbubungkal yung lupa, no? So let's just say that the soil is being disturbed. I don't know the exact English for that. So let's just say we add another layer here and we lock the layer containing the vine. And let's just say we have here a soil that looks like this. You know that soil whenever it's being disturbed. Now I'm going to press F7 again because I'm going to create another drawing of a soil. So there you go. F7 again. So what is F7? For your information, it's the shortcut of the insert blank keyframe command. So if you're familiar with if you're familiar with the principle of animation called straight ahead, this is what I'm basically employing right here. So parang nagkakaroon ng disturbance yung soil niya, no? Habang lumalabas yung vine. So parang yan. F7. So parang nagbubungkal yung lupa niya. Ayan. So yan ano. So lagyan natin ng mga dust particles. Yeah, so we have two layers containing different animation. One is for the soil that is being disturbed or yung nagbubungkal. And the one is yung nagkakaroon, the one is the growing vine. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So simple animation. Okay. So now, what if we want to adjust everything? I mean, except the background. What if we want to adjust the animation, or rather put it right here at this area? Both the vine and the soil, the moving soil. Okay. So first we have to unlock the layer containing the soil. This is the soil, for instance, and this is the vine. So we have to edit multiple frames right here. We have to click on the edit multiple frames and control A. So what happens is that on the timeline, it's going to highlight anything that is unlocked. So going to put it right here maybe and deactivate the edit multiple frames, and this is what happens, right? So that's how you do a simple frame by frame animation. All right. So I'm gonna save it as Growing Vine 2024. All right. So probably in the next video, I'm going to demonstrate animations with principles of animation, because there are a total of 12 principles of animation right there. So probably I'm gonna do it in the next video. So goodbye for now and see you around.